Did you know that businesses that use video marketing grow their revenue 49% faster than those that don't? That's where KLING AI's video magic comes in. KLING AI is revolutionizing the way small businesses approach marketing. With its innovative approach to video creation, KLING AI is helping small businesses level the playing field and compete with bigger companies. In today's digital landscape, video marketing is no longer a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. And that's exactly what KLING AI is providing. A way for small businesses to create high-quality, engaging video content that drives results. At KLING AI, we believe that every small business deserves access to the same marketing tools and resources as bigger companies. That's why we've developed a solution that's specifically designed with small businesses in mind. Our approach is centered around simplicity, ease of use, and affordability. By leveraging the power of AI, KLING AI is able to simplify the video production process, making it easier and more cost-effective for small businesses to create high-quality video content. Whether you're looking to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, or boost sales, KLING AI has got you covered. Small businesses face a unique set of challenges when it comes to marketing. One of the biggest hurdles is creating engaging video content that resonates with their target audience. Without the resources and budget of bigger companies, it can be tough to produce high-quality video content that drives results. Oftentimes, small businesses try to create video content in-house, but this can be a time-consuming and costly process. Between script writing, filming, editing, and post-production, it's easy to get bogged down in the details and lose sight of the bigger picture. And even when they do manage to create video content, it often falls flat due to lack of expertise, resources, or budget. Another challenge small businesses face is the sheer volume of content they need to produce in order to stay competitive. With the rise of social media, it's no longer enough to just create 1 or 2 pieces of video content a year. Businesses need to be consistently producing high-quality content in order to stay top of mind with their target audience. But even with the best intentions, small businesses often struggle to come up with new and innovative ideas for their video content. It can be tough to keep the creative juices flowing, especially when you're wearing multiple hats and juggling a million different tasks. And let's not forget about the pressure to keep up with the latest trends and technologies. From 360-degree videos to virtual reality experiences, it can be overwhelming to keep up with the latest and greatest in video production. But what if I told you there was a way to overcome all of these challenges and create high-quality video content that drives results for your small business? KLING AI's innovative approach to video creation uses artificial intelligence to simplify the video production process, making it easier and more cost-effective for small businesses to create high-quality video content. With KLING AI, you can create stunning video content in a matter of minutes, without any prior experience or expertise. Our AI-powered platform takes care of all the heavy lifting, from script writing to editing and post-production. One of the most exciting features of KLING AI is its ability to analyze your target audience and create personalized video content that resonates with them. Whether you're looking to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, or boost sales, KLING AI's AI-powered platform can help. KLING AI also integrates seamlessly with all of your existing marketing tools and platforms, making it easy to incorporate video content into your existing marketing strategy. But don't just take my word for it. Let me share a success story with you. One small business that saw incredible results using KLING AI's video magic is XYZ Inc. By using KLING AI, XYZ Inc. was able to increase their website traffic by 50% and boost their sales by 20%. But what's even more impressive is that they were able to achieve these results without breaking the bank or sacrificing quality. Using KLING AI, XYZ Inc. was able to create high-quality video content that resonated with their target audience, without having to invest in expensive equipment or hire a team of professionals. In conclusion, KLING AI's video magic is a game-changer for small businesses looking to transform their marketing efforts. By leveraging the power of AI, KLING AI is able to simplify the video production process, making it easier and more cost-effective for small businesses to create high-quality video content. Whether you're looking to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, or boost sales, KLING AI has got you covered. So why wait? Start creating your own video magic today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your thoughts on video marketing and how you're using it in your own business. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe for more insights and tips on how to grow your small business.